This is the third video in the series for the block design project. We, in the previous video, finished our block with the square hole. So again, I'm going to come over to my parts and I'm going to hide this so I can continue working in my workspace. The next part that I'm going to create is a 2 by 2 inch cylinder. I'm going to lay down a sketch again, but this time instead of my front plane, I'm going to choose my top plane. We can see that sheet of graph paper laid down on the top. I'm going to click on my navigation cube to orientate myself to view the top. I'm going to grab my circle tool and I'm going to create a 2-inch circle. I'm going to come over to my extrusion. That becomes highlighted, and I'm going to change now my depth of my extrusion to 2 inches, green check mark to finish that. Again, I'm going to click on my orientation cube, and I can see I've created that cylinder. I can come over now to my part 4, right click on it, and rename it as cylinder. So that is the completion of that part. Again, because I want to continue working in my workspace, I'm going to hit my I on my part to hide it. The next part that I want to create is my 2 by 2 inch right triangle. So again, I'm going to lay down a sketch. I'm going to choose my front work plane. I'm going to orientate myself, and I'm going to grab my line tool. For this one, I'm going to create a 2-inch vertical line. I'm going to go to the right 2 inches at that 90-degree angle. And now I can simply connect my 2 points to the origin point to have my hypotenuse, which will be longer than 2 inches. I'm going to then extrude this triangle 2 inches, green check mark. I'm going to gain perspective on this, and I can see my 2 by 2 inch right triangle. The next part of this is to create a custom block yourself. Now, my suggestion on a custom block is try to stick to this 2 by 2 scale so it'll fit with the existing blocks when we create our assembly file in the next video.